Hello, everybody. Good morning to all. As a teacher of Palla KPC HSC School, first of all, I would like to wish a happy Independence Day to all the honorable chief guest, our headmaster, Mr. Shekhar Bishwas, and all other colleagues, and the parents of my dear students, and the students also. Today, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to express a few words from the core of my heart. We all know that today we are going to celebrate 75th Independence Day. It is one of the most important day for all the Indians. Today, on this particular day in 1947, we all know that we get freedom. Better to say, we snatched freedom from the tyranny of British rule. So, in this particular day, we should remember, rather to say, we must remember our great leaders. That is, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others, because they sacrificed their life, their entire life, to make our country free from the tyranny of British rule. The peaceful life in which we are living now in our country is just because of the sacrifices of their valuable lives, precious lives. We all know that. So we should respect them. In this particular day, our Prime Minister, we all know that he hoists our national flag at Red Fort, Delhi, and addresses for the people of India, that is for the nation. And the Indian armed forces, they conduct parades on this particular day. We know that in this particular day, in all schools, colleges, and as also in offices, the flag hoisting ceremonies are performed, and many cultural programs are going on to celebrate the nation, to celebrate this Independence Day. We all know that. We salute our Indian flag, and the national anthem is sung in this particular day everywhere in our country. As a citizen of India, we should respect our nation. Not only that, we must perform our duties to make our country more beautiful. So, in this particular day, let us promise that we must together to make our country the best country in the world. In fact, here we do not forget to salute the gold medalist Neeraj Chopra and the other medalists in Tokyo Olympic. Recently, they won the medals for our country. Again, at the end, I must say that we must be proud to be an Indian. So let's celebrate this day with great joy. We should remember that a nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the souls of its people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.